Is this the interest rate cut you think you've been waiting for? Hi, welcome to the Hatch Homes Monday Market Update. You got Michelle and Randolph here this week. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. So the big news, obviously, we're talking about the big federal interest rate cut. I mean, it's probably the heftiest cut in the last 4 years by a whopping 0.5%. So we're going to talk a little bit about why they're doing this and what it really means for home buyers and sellers. So why are they doing this? Well, of course, it's to cushion the economy to prevent further slowdown. We don't want further inflation, and we want to, have some more affordability.
Yeah, so how does this affect you? Does it affect mortgage interest rates? Well, not necessarily. It actually affects the credit cards and the car loan payments.
Yeah, and so those interest rates will be affected. It doesn't directly affect mortgage rates. However, interest rates have and already been going down a little bit. You can see from this chart that they have been tracking a little bit lower from the middle of last year.
So what the Fed rate really affects is credit cards as well as car loans, not necessarily mortgage interest rates.
That's very true. They do, kind of play hand in hand sometimes, but really mortgage rates are sort of separate. And you can see from this chart that they've already been going down. We started the year off with like high 7%, and now we're in the low 6s. So that's really great news. And, while lower rates do help home buyers and their monthly payments and maybe some cost of living expenses, which is great, it's not necessarily going to mean that they're not going to still pay a premium for the house, because home prices are still going up, not in the double digits that we've seen before, but we've definitely seen them plateau and appreciate in the more like the 4% to 6% year over year. So you're still going to pay a premium for the house because there's still people that are not moving because they are locked into those 3% or ish mortgage rates. However, with this going down, and we'll talk more about this next week, it could mean that more sellers will be motivated to move because they have equity and they can get a lower rate. So we'll just have to see how that goes. And again, we'll talk about that next week.
Yeah, absolutely. So the bottom line is, don't make your home purchase based off of mortgage interest rate, but basically base it off of your economics. If it's your time to purchase a home, you should strategize with us, and we'll sit down with you and talk about it.
Yeah. So, is it a really good time to buy right now? Yes, maybe it is, if it's right for you. So yeah, again, please reach out. We can talk about it and strategize what works for you and connect you with some great lenders to give you some great rates. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share.